Okay, percent composition is no more difficult than figuring out your grade for a test score. It's really just part over whole. For these two questions, we'll be doing basically the same thing. We need to identify the part and divide by the whole. Now, for these, anytime they do not give you a sample size, you assume 100%. This is 100% N2S5. Given that there's no sample size, 100% would be the molar mass. It's the quickest way to identify 100%. When we add up all the component pieces, we get 188.3384 grams of N2S5. This is the molar mass. So, this is the mass for every 1 mole of N2S5. And for every 1 mole of N2S5, there are 2 moles, notice the subscript, of nitrogen atoms. For every 1 mole of nitrogen, we have 14.0067 grams of nitrogen. When we look at all of our units, the formula N2S5 cancels here, here. Moles of N2S5 cancel here and here. Moles of N cancels here. And this pesky grams unit cancels here and here. And when we look at our ultimate unit, we get percent nitrogen. Percent here, nitrogen here. When we do all of the math, we realize that we have 14.87% nitrogen. Now we could quickly, because there's only 2 elements here, we could quickly just subtract this from 100% and solve for the rest that is sulfur. We'll do it the same way we just did the other one though. 100% N2S5. 100% of that, since there is no sample size, would be 188.3384 grams of N2S5. And that is the molar mass, so that's for every 1 mole. And if we look at 1 mole of N2S5, we have 5 moles of sulfur. For every 1 mole of sulfur, we'd get 32.065 grams of sulfur. And that comes right off the periodic table. Canceled here, 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 here. Pesky gram unit is gone. We work out all of the math and get 85.13% that is sulfur. The next one, we are given a sample size. This can make it much easier. And this sample size is 100. This is just like 100%. Here we're only looking for the mass of sulfur, so we really could write that out here, looking for grams of S. It means we're only targeting sulfur. Okay, we still need to use the molar mass of our compound. In order to progress. Use that molar mass allows us to move from unit to unit, slowly but surely, making our way to sulfur. Once we're at sulfur, we can use sulfur's molar mass to get to the end. Cancel our units. We're left with grams of sulfur as we would like, and we solve, multiplying the top and dividing by the product of the bottom. And that's it.